Blister Prevention and Treatment Kit. This is a really comprehensive kit as it provides some blister prevention products to help prevent a blister forming, as well as a blister treatment dressings if you are unlucky and they have already formed. If you are competing in a multi-day event, then this is the right kit to take with you, as it will allow you to complete the event or activity that you have chosen. The blister prevention products included are the 2 meters of Hyperfix tape that we use in clinic. It's low allergy, light and stretchy. Also, there are 5 strips of KT Pro tape, which has excellent adhesive properties and works well in wet conditions. Both can be used as blister prevention tape. The antibacterial gel digicaps, either in small for the smaller toes and large for the big toes, can be placed on the toes that are affected by blisters and prevent them from forming. They can be cut to size with a spare bit cut off and used for another toe. They are reusable and hand washable. The reusable Engo gel ovals are slightly tacky and can be placed on the back of the heels, arches or the top of the foot. They do need securing with extra Hyperfix tape and can be reusable up to 5 times if placed back onto their backing film. The large oval Engo patches have a slippy surface which reduces friction. They are applied into the shoe and not applied to the skin. The alpaca wool prevents blisters from forming in between the toes. Weave the wool in and out of all the toes. It reduces friction as the friction is taken up in the wool and not within the skin. A new piece is required every day. If the blister has already formed, then these dressings are supplied in the kit as part of the treatment regime. The island dressage should be applied as soon as possible to hot spots, bubble blisters or partially torn roof blisters. They are varied in size and to suit the specific location of the foot. Hyperfix tape can then be used to secure the dressings that may need cutting to size with the sterile scissors. If the roof has completely come off a blister, then a hydrocolloid needs to be applied to the wound. These are great wound healing dressings that can be left on up to a week. They will need securing in place to the skin with Hyperfix tape. Alcohol wipes are used to prepare and clean the skin before popping a blister with a sterile needle or a scalpel, followed by draining the blister into a sterile non-woven gauze, then using the saline wipes to clean the blister, or then the iodine swabs as an antiseptic to the blister. The semi-compressed felt deflected padding can be used to take the pressure off an area of the skin that is already blistered, or to be used after a dressing. Use the Hyperfix tape to secure to the skin, or as a prevention padding if you know that you always blister in a certain area of the foot, then apply before an activity. These are some shapes that can be cut out. The fleecy foam is purely for cushioning an area that may have blistered. It is applied after a dressing and secured to the skin with Hyperfix tape. If you've finished an activity, then it really helps with reducing the pain, especially when walking. These are the shapes that can be cut out to suit the location on the foot. 2 Toms Blister Shield powder is used after an application of tape, dressings or deflected padding, as this prevents the edges for the dressing from rolling and reduces the friction applied to the area from the shoe. Nitrile-free gloves are used when an element of sterility is required, when popping or cleaning a torn open blister. Hand washing is always preferable but not always available, so gloves are used to that end. I always suggest that gloves are used for the application of Blister Shield, as it does tend to make the hands slippy. A full set of illustrated professional instructions are included in the kit.